Spraying your plants with a special homemade mixture can bring about many benefits. This spray helps to protect plants from common issues, boosts their overall health, and supports their growth. By using natural ingredients, you're also making an environmentally friendly choice, avoiding harmful chemicals that can harm beneficial insects and soil life. Natural sprays like this one can be a great alternative to commercial products, offering a gentle yet effective solution for your garden's needs. To make this spray, start by filling a 5-gallon bucket with 10 liters of water. The water helps to dilute the mixture, making it easier to spray evenly on your plants. Next, add 1 liter of unpasteurized milk. Unpasteurized milk is preferred because it contains natural enzymes and beneficial bacteria that can improve the health of your plants. These enzymes and bacteria are often removed during the pasteurization process, which is why unpasteurized milk can be more effective for this purpose. After adding the milk, it's time to include the turmeric. Add 3 to 5 tablespoons of turmeric powder to the mixture. The amount you use can depend on the condition of your plants. If your plants are generally healthy, you might use 3 tablespoons. If they are struggling with disease or pests, you can use up to 5 tablespoons for a stronger effect. Mix everything together thoroughly to ensure the turmeric is evenly distributed in the solution. Once the mixture is well mixed, you'll need to strain it to remove any undissolved turmeric particles. Straining the solution is important because it prevents your spray bottle from clogging. You can use a fine mesh strainer or a piece of cheesecloth for this step. After straining, pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Now you're ready to spray it on your plants. Make sure to cover all the leaves, both on the top and bottom, to ensure thorough protection. Milk, especially unpasteurized milk, contains beneficial enzymes and good bacteria that help fight off harmful fungi and diseases. The enzymes in milk can break down the outer layers of some fungal spores, preventing them from spreading on your plants. Additionally, milk acts as a mild fertilizer, providing plants with essential nutrients like calcium. Calcium is crucial for plant health as it helps strengthen cell walls, which can make plants more resistant to disease and pests. Turmeric, on the other hand, has natural antifungal and antibacterial properties that protect your plants from various diseases. These properties make turmeric a powerful ally in the garden, as it can help prevent and control infections that might otherwise harm your plants. Turmeric also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help your plants recover from any existing damage or stress. This is particularly useful if your plants have been affected by pests or harsh weather conditions. Don't forget to check out the video link in the description for more recipe and detailed instructions on making your own sprays and nutrient-rich fertilizers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more gardening tips and tricks.
In today's video, we're going to talk about a simple yet powerful way to improve your garden's health and keep those pesky insects away, all with something you probably already have at home. Whether you're dealing with soil problems or unwanted pests, this natural solution is an easy, chemical-free option that will boost plant growth and protect your garden. We'll show you how to use it both in the soil and as a spray for your plants. Stick around to learn how this method can help your garden thrive. Turmeric is more than just a kitchen spice. It's a fantastic natural remedy for your garden. When sprinkled directly on the soil, turmeric can offer a range of benefits to your plants. It's a natural antifungal, which helps protect the soil from harmful fungi that can damage plant roots. Fungi in the soil can cause diseases like root rot, which weakens plants and stunts their growth. By adding turmeric to the soil, you're creating a healthier environment for your plants, making sure they have a strong foundation to grow. Turmeric also contains antibacterial properties, which can improve the overall health of your soil. Healthier soil means plants can absorb nutrients more easily, leading to better growth and more productive yields. If you've been dealing with pests in your garden, turmeric might be just what you need. The powerful compounds in turmeric can deter pests, like ants, beetles, and even aphids, keeping them from damaging your plants. Sprinkling turmeric around the base of your plants creates a protective barrier that pests tend to avoid. It's a simple, natural, and chemical-free way to keep unwanted insects away from your garden. But there's another way to use turmeric that's even more effective at targeting pests. For this, you'll need to create a turmeric spray. Start by adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of turmeric to 1 litre of water. Stir it up and let the mixture sit for around 30 minutes. This allows the turmeric to fully dissolve and release its beneficial compounds into the water. After 30 minutes, strain the mixture to remove any solid bits and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Now you've got a powerful turmeric spray that you can use directly on your plants. Spraying this turmeric solution on your plants helps repel pests in a gentle, non-toxic way. The smell and taste of turmeric are unpleasant to many insects, keeping them away from your garden without harming them or your plants. Regular use of the spray can prevent insects from laying eggs on your plants, which is especially useful for keeping pests like aphids and beetles at bay. Additionally, it can stop fungal infections from spreading, ensuring that your plants stay healthy and strong throughout the growing season. Now, as we wrap up, turmeric is an easy, natural, and affordable way to keep your garden thriving. Whether you sprinkle it on the soil or spray it on your plants, you'll see the benefits of using this golden spice in your garden care routine. Not only will you be supporting your plants' growth, but you'll also keep pests from causing trouble without needing to turn to harmful chemicals. If you liked this video and want more natural garden tips, check out our channel for other videos on fertilizers, organic sprays, and gardening tricks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content to help you grow your best garden yet. In this video, I'm going to share a super easy recipe for a natural solution that boosts the growth of tomatoes, cucumbers, and other plants in your garden. Not only does this remedy help your veggies thrive, but it also shields your flowers from pesky diseases. And guess what? You only need 2 common ingredients to make it work wonders. The first ingredient is turmeric. Turmeric is a spice commonly used in cooking, but it also has powerful medicinal properties. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal effects. When used on plants, turmeric can help protect them from a range of diseases, including fungal infections like late blight on tomatoes and peronosporosis on cucumbers. By incorporating turmeric into the remedy, we harness its natural protective properties to shield our garden crops from harm. Ingredient 2 is milk. Milk is another surprising ingredient in this remedy. Milk contains various nutrients beneficial to plants, including calcium and proteins. When applied to plant leaves, milk forms a thin film that can help deter pests and diseases. It acts as an adhesive, ensuring that the remedy stays on the plant's surface and doesn't wash away easily. This film also facilitates the penetration of beneficial substances into the plant's tissues, enhancing its overall health and resilience against diseases. The process of making the remedy is straightforward. We dissolve 2 teaspoons of turmeric in 1 litre of hot water and then add 100 millilitres of milk. It's important to mix the solution thoroughly to ensure even distribution of the ingredients. After mixing, we allow the solution to cool completely. This cooling period allows the turmeric and milk to infuse further into the water, maximizing their effectiveness. Straining the solution before application helps prevent clogging of the sprayers, ensuring smooth and uniform coverage of the plants. Once the remedy is prepared, we can use it to spray our plants. This includes tomatoes, cucumbers, and various garden flowers such as roses, hydrangeas, and geraniums. The spray forms a protective barrier on the leaves, shielding them from diseases and pests. Regular application of the remedy can help maintain the health and vigour of our plants, leading to a better yield and more robust growth. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications. Your support is greatly appreciated.